Hello and welcome back to our series on creating video for your social channels. You may be asking, why video? Aren't the static social posts I create for my channel enough? I'm Tiana, a product marketing manager for video here at Canva. In today's episode, we're going to get into why video content performs so well on social media. Let's get started. It's over to our video designer Jess to tell us more.
Everyone's watching video and everyone else is creating videos. It's now easier than ever to create video content without being a video pro. And where is attention shifting most of all? Now this is a picture of the subway in the 1970s. Bit of a flashback. Tell me, what is it about this photo that you don't see these days? I'll just give you one guess. Now let's take a look at this other photo. Yep, you got it, the screen. Attention is shifting. Mobile captures the attention of people everywhere. Just get on a bus, the subway, or a waiting room, or even a restaurant, and you'll see that people are glued to their smartphones. The audience and their attention are on social media and digital platforms. 67%. That is the percentage of the world's population that uses mobile phones, which is roughly 5.3 billion people. And then 57% of the world's population uses social media. That is 4.48 billion people. And this trend has accelerated with the pandemic. Numbers have jumped more than 13% since this time last year, so more and more people are on social media. In today's world, there's tons of distractions and media to consume, and we have the freedom to choose what and when we consume it. For content to stand out, viewers need to be entertained or sometimes educated within the first few seconds. They will scroll through video content at a rapid pace on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook stories. In fact, these channels combined, people spend an average of 95 minutes a day on social media. While this might seem like a new marketing challenge for businesses, it also represents a huge opportunity for content creators. Nike said, if you have a body, you're an athlete. Well, today, we could say, if you have a smartphone, you're a content creator. Anybody can pull out their phone and snap a video on TikTok or start streaming live on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube in a matter of seconds. Because attention has shifted and technology has evolved, we now have the opportunity to connect with millions to communicate our message for free, when it used to cost a massive amount of money to reach that many people.
All of the major social networks favor video in the algorithms. So if you're looking to see an uptick in your engagement, shifting towards video is an obvious choice. It captures viewer attention better and for longer, and is more likely to stop someone from scrolling. Did you know that tweets with a video have 10 times more engagement than tweets with simple text? Video makes it much easier to drive conversions, whether you're looking to gain more followers, persuade buyers into making a purchase, or simply pushing traffic to your website. Video allows you to include a wider range of information, such as your product features and benefits, and a call to action to drive activity. Video also has a much longer shelf life than static images. A TikTok video, for example, can be surfaced in a user's For You page for weeks, maybe even months after it's first published. This is because video content typically generates more interactions and shares, which means it stays in the ecosystem for longer. So it's clear, video holds huge potential for every business. Video is not only an engaging and fun format, it also has the potential to have a massive impact in terms of increasing traffic to your brand and retaining viewers and customers. So, what's the first step to creating not just viral, but exceptional content that fits your needs? Tune into the next episode where we'll get into why consistent branding is so essential across the content you create, and how to best represent your brand using social videos created in Canva. If you'd like to continue practicing your Canva skills, scan this QR code with your mobile device or click the link in the episode description to access a workbook with guided Canva activities. See you next time.